All right, good evening, guys. Canataurus Capital Nightly Strategy Podcast for September 12th, 2023. We'll start with the hybrid swing portfolio 30-minute charts, beginning with Alcoa, no trade, AI, AI, no trade. There was a short side trade available, but I didn't get it. Amazon continuing yesterday's two-position long, still holding. No trade in Caterpillar. Oh, I didn't. The markings didn't get saved up. I will add this later. For some reason, it didn't save my markups. Well, we're going to just move straight ahead then to the sniper trade of the day. God, that's weird. All right, so today was CVS on the 3-minute. Here's where it closed. Gapped up to here. Gave us an OR3 right there. Took the breakout long. Scratched. It continued to fail. Took the short with the same standard risk box. It sold off hard. And then on the reversal, took it at the spine of the dragon to capture about 0.5. It continued into a Kata 2. Took the long with the standard risk. Little over 2.5 hour battle drill here. Added a second position. Took the PSAR exit in the usual way. It established another Kata 2 re-entry here on the PSAR break. So took it with the standard risk. Just followed the PSAR, took the exit for an extra +1. Total deal of the day had about 6R potential. Just traded in the usual way. Quick look at the traders today. Here's Tim with a nice OR3 and capturing it on the pullback to the edge of the dragon. Gets a taste here and a quick scratch, netting 1.4 on Devon. Gets paid really nicely here in Intel. But then gets chopped up a little bit here. I think that if that's a -1, then I think our stop is too tight because this looks like more than 2.3 if that's a 1. At the same time, our OR3 should have really paid off. There's more that could be done on this one. I had some interference with the day job. That's understandable. Disney makes up for a lot of that with a 6R day, netting over 7 for the whole day. OR3 gets paid, rolls over, comes through the VWAP, hits the PSAR flip, standard short, then takes the standard long. That's pretty good shooting. This is Agnieszka working on the, let's see what we have here. Looks like the S&P, or the US dollar. And she's grinding along here for a total of .7 net. She basically got what was available inside the day, just staying with the rules. This is Canadian dollar versus the Swiss franc. Gets paid +2 in the usual way. Brian gets paid twice nicely for over 2R total. He's regretting the not trading the SSC. Still, that's 2.1. That's pretty nice work. For a total of 3 for the day. And 2 really nice trades on the Kata 2. And then the supported fall crossing. So he thinks he gave back too much. Yeah, maybe if you get this one instead of that, but still, that's not too bad. Hamad. Let's see what we got here. Gets short well after the Z3 excursion. Takes the 0.6 loss, stops and reverses, takes a 0.6 loss, and then picks up a couple fractionals. A couple quick scratches and quick fractional losses. Cliff turns it around a little bit. Misses the initial OR3 and the Kata 2 fractional loss. Feels like that was a late entry. And chasing. Quick scratch here. So a lot of grinding today. Just not much available. The stop and reverse, you probably just got bruised by the other losses. Like this yellow dot is right here. And that 30-minute guidance has given you, that 30-minute chart's giving you good guidance. This is better with both of those, and then the payoff is nice. And then this one, this reversal, after such an extreme downward move, I think you got to be thinking about that move inside there. I think there was more available than you got credit for. Really nice work from Jose with a 3R execution win. Stuck around a little longer than a standard 2. Ordinarily, I think you'd have been getting out here, but that's a nice hold. Same thing here, 2.5R on the execution, staying with it while it's in the summer, and then waiting for the dragon exit. Nice work. The stop and reverse pays for the previous one. That's good work. Let's see. This is George getting paid on a nice continuation trade and a PSAR flip. You know, you might be interested in the stop and reverse there, I'm thinking. And then consider the 1, 2, 3 entry. At least as this thing comes across and breaks the peak of the RL10, there's probably an entry a couple bars earlier. And then when you get a Z3 excursion, don't wait so long on that retracement. Just cleaning up this. You should take a screenshot of this. I'm putting together the notes for the executive summary of our work that outlines all the different strategies for core and swing and day trading that are available in our courses. And then I'll just highlight that Luke continues to make good progress on his DAX 5-minute mechanical system that's got a 85% daily win rate, and just off the chart on SQNs. Yeah, his latest weekly summary here was 24 trades, 23 winners, 1 loser, and bringing it net in 2.5 for the week. That's pretty good shooting. What he's working on is the consolidation and integration of his beliefs around that system, around his strategy, as he is working through the actual trading of it. So he's using this consolidated note-taking sheet as an artifact to help focus him on how he's pulling all those pieces together with the view of creating a home study course for us to leverage all the hard work that he's doing here. So we're excited about getting close on that one. All right, that's everything we got for today. We'll get the I'll get the swing portfolio updated for you tomorrow, and we'll go a little bit deeper tomorrow. Take good care, and we shall see you soon.